A rise in the number of road accidents in the country is one of the leading cause factors of spinal injuries among Kenyans. And according to statistics by the Kenya Paraplegic Organization, 70% of spinal cord injury survivors die barely within 6 months after leaving treatment centers. This has been attributed mainly to secondary complications such as depression, stress pressures, bed sores, and a lack of adequate rehabilitation centers.
Those who can afford are flown out. Those who can't afford, they go to either our county referral hospitals or Kenyatta National Hospital or Moi Teaching and Referral Hospital in Eldoret.
The Kenya Paraplegic Organization chairperson Dr. Manu Chandara says this can be reversed if the government and the corporate sector invest and equip the existing facilities in the country.
The pain these people go through once you have a spinal injury. And that's why when you hear that after 6 months, or within, one was said after 6 months, another said between 6 months and between 0 and 6 months, or 0 and 5 years, you die of total neglect. You feel so sorry for yourself.
Dr. Chandara said that it was unfortunate that the poor languish while seeking treatment in the country while the rich seek medical care abroad.
Please remember, many of them are in the wheelchairs because the fault of others. May not be yours, maybe your brothers, maybe your sister, maybe your matatu driver, whoever it is. We have created a life which is not worth living for them. So let's make them, they can live. There are examples you can see here. They can live. Let them live. And let's give them a chance to live. But we need to hold their hand.
The Kenya Paraplegic Organization Chief Executive, who is also Westlands Member of Parliament, Tim Wanyonyi, said there is life after spinal cord injury and society should not shun those faced with the condition.
We wanted to have a home-grown solution, and this is also a flagship of the Vision 2030 for us to have affordable health provision within our country.
United States Ambassador to Kenya Robert Godek promised that his government will strongly support in equipping the spinal cord injury rehabilitation centers in Kajiado County.
Tribute that deserves respect, it deserves admiration. That courage is an inspiration for me, and I know for all of you. Now, the truth is, of course, that there are huge challenges, and we know these challenges and we see them, and it is not easy, and no one should think, of course, that it is. There are so many obstacles, and of course one of the biggest obstacles with spinal cord injury in Kenya today is getting the treatment you need, getting the rehabilitation, support and assistance you need, which is why this new center, and Manu, thank you for what you're doing for this, you and so many others. It's so terribly, terribly important to get people the treatment that they need.
This is also a health issue. And what we've done now, and very soon you'll be seeing this, as a foundation, we would want to complement you and solve the health issues that we're having as a country. We are now going to invest in over 300 affordable clinics all over the country, what will be called as Equity Afya.